Dear students, we use petrol in lightweight vehicles like motorcycle, scooters, cars, etc. Similarly, we use diesel in heavy vehicles like trucks and tractors. The natural resource from where we obtain petrol and diesel is called petroleum, which is also called crude oil. Do you know how the word petroleum is formed? Let me tell you. In this word, petra means rock and oleum means oil. The oil obtained that is trapped in rocks is petroleum. Like coal, petroleum is also a fossil fuel, which is exhaustible natural resource. Let's now understand how it is formed. We know that sea is home for large number of organisms. When these organisms die, their bodies settle down at the bottom of sea. Layers of sand and clay gets deposited on their bodies. Over millions of years, in the conditions such as absence of air, high temperature and pressure, these dead parts went through series of processes and get converted to petroleum and natural gas. The form petroleum, being lighter than water, floats over the layer of water and remains compressed by natural gas in a dome-shaped impervious rock called rock cap. In India, oil is found in Assam, Gujarat, Mumbai High, and in the river basins of Godavari and Krishna. Refining of petroleum. Now, petroleum oil or crude oil obtained is dark oily liquid having unpleasant smell. It is consist of different constituents such as petrol, petroleum gas, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin wax, etc. These components must be separated, and the process of separating different components of petroleum is called refining. It is carried out in petroleum refinery. The principle used for separation is that different components have different boiling points. The method of separating components based on difference in boiling point is called fractional distillation. Different components are petroleum gas in liquid form called liquefied petroleum gas have lowest boiling point. So it is collected at the top of fractional distillation column. It is used as fuel for home and industry. Subsequently, we obtain petrol, which is fuel in automobiles. It is also a good solvent. Kerosene is fuel for stoves, lamps, and jet crafts. Diesel is fuel for heavy vehicles and machines. Lubricating oil is used for lubrication of machine parts, engines, etc. Paraffin wax is used for making Vaseline, ointment, that is lotion, candles, etc. Bitumen is used for making paints and road surfaces. I hope you have understood this topic well. Thanks for watching.